Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a background to your video using CapCut. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be showing you how to add a background in CapCut. Okay, so open your CapCut. Okay, so when you open your CapCut, you have to first import your background. Okay, so you come on new project, then come on photos. So this is going to be my background here. Then I select this one here. Then I tap on add. Okay, so after importing my background, what I want to do is very simple. I'll come to the overlay section over here. So I come and tap on add overlay. Alright, so when I tap on add overlay, I'll come to videos section over here. Alright, so I'm going to import the video that I want to put in. Alright, so let me look for the video I want. Alright, so I'll add this video here. Then I add it. Okay, so simply I'll use my two fingers, then I make this video to fit this in that ratio. All right, so after that, what you want to do is very simple. Come and tap on this overlay video you've just added. So when you tap on it, it will be highlighted. Okay, so when it is highlighted, scroll down this side till you see cutout. So cutout is over here, you tap on it, then come and tap on remove background. Alright, so when you tap on remove background, as you can see, the background of the video has been removed and our background we put in the first place is now reflecting. So you just want to come and resize it a bit according to what you want. Okay, so when you reach at that step, you're basically done. You can play your video. As you can see, the background is reflecting. Okay, the background we put is reflecting. Okay, so that's how to add background in CapCut. If you found value in this video, please consider liking and also subscribing, and thank you for watching guys.